Good morning, sunshine. So today's video, I'm gonna do unboxing my 10 inches ring light with adjustable tripod. And I got this box from Amazon. It's a huge box. I didn't expect this big box. So inside with this box, there's 5 different kind. The ring lights. This is the LED ring lights. And it's also came with a tripod with a soft pouch. So yes, this, and then they have also a manual how to assemble, and a flexible phone holder, and a Bluetooth with remote control. So we'll check it out. So this is good for photography, makeup, blogging, live streaming, and this is compatible with most phones. So that's why I get this, and it also came from USB powered. So this is the ring light. Looks like it's huge, almost fit in my face. So yeah, with a USB powered. And they have a screw. You can assemble this one. Let's see how this works. Hopefully it's easy. So we'll just follow the instruction here. So what we will do first. Okay, I think we have to do the tripod stand first. Okay, so this is the tripod. Let's see how big it is. I think this tripod is 50 inches long. That's good. And the good deal for me, for this one, I buy this, I buy cheaper because they have a coupon for it. Like, I think I get 30% off. So I only paid the whole thing for $23 plus. Like $23.03. So this is the tripod. Looks like pretty sturdy. It's pretty sturdy. Yeah, I've been looking for something that I can use when I go outdoors and taking a video. So I really need a tripod so that I can video the whole background. It looks like this one is locked, so I don't know how this one works now. So I have to figure out, so just be aware. Oh, there you go. Got it. It's just locked. Okay. will try to assemble this. Okay, how this one works. Loose this one. Loose the screw. Loose the screw. Loose this one to make it up. Okay, I'm gonna do like this. Tight like this. This is this handles is you can adjust up and down for rotation. I think you can do rotation 360 degree. Okay, go like this. Okay, sit this one over here. Sit the one there. Okay, so I'm gonna try to put this box down because it's a big box. So I'm gonna, okay, this is how you unlock. There. And you can, there's 3 slots, so you can adjust the, so I'm just gonna do 2 more so that you can see what I'm doing. So this is the 2 slot now for locking. Okay. This. Okay. I need to lock. So what I do, I lock it or stabilize. I lock also the first one. And then just do like this. I'm just gonna show you how long it is before I lock, just to make it sure. See, this is 1, 2, and 3. So that's the 3. This is really okay. Very long. It's 50 inches long. So from here, I'll show you guys. Like, look at that. Look at that. So, see? It's long. But I'm just gonna do a second slot lock so that you can see me what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna lock again, put it back. I should lock this first. I'm gonna lock this one first so that it will not go anywhere. Okay, I lock this 3 slot. Okay, put this back. Lock. Put this back. Lock. Put this back. Lock. Okay, we'll see what's gonna happen. So this is okay. Now I'm gonna do the ring light, the 10 inches ring light. This one here. Screw this one here. There you go. Make it tight. This down. Screw this one. Cover it, guys. So right now I'm using the second slot so that you can see me what I'm doing with this. Okay, this is the one. This one set now, and you can rotate. They have a rotation here that you can adjust anywhere you want position. So I'm gonna lock there, and then the next step is like, okay, I'm wondering if this one goes. I don't know what's this for. Okay. I think this is that goes for the cell phone, huh? Okay. Next step is the ring light. The ring light. Put the ring light here. It's too tall. Put the ring light. Let's see if you can see. In here. Okay, that one goes. Okay. So there's the ring light. Let me adjust a little bit so that you can see, guys, what I'm doing. I think it's too tall. Just gonna unlock. There you go. Now you can see. Just unlock this legs here. Unlock these legs here. There you go. Just this one here. Okay, that one done. So the next step is the cell phone holder. So I got this piece over here that goes under here, attach here. I'm gonna put my cell phone first before I do that. So there you go. It's already attaching the cell phone. And I'm gonna use this over here. I'm gonna show you quick so that you can see better. This one over here. Okay, I'm gonna push it. There you go. Put this one up first. There. I did backward. There you go. There. Lock. So you can do either way. So this way. Just lock it. See, there you go. So this is my ring light, the 10 inches ring light, and you can use they have 3 lights modes for this lights. Let's try. See, that's the white, and you can adjust into warm. It's a natural, so you can adjust here. See, there's a button. Let me see if I can take this. Yeah, this remote control. See that? So there's a minus and plus sign, so you can adjust whatever you want for your ring light. See, that's minus. So yeah, you can adjust either what do you want, like natural or more lights. See, you can adjust in different way. See, very light. Yeah, it's a remote control. You just plug in your USB power, and if you're new in my channel, this is Angelmay Bisaya-American, a Pinoy blogger living in the USA. Shout out to Bulamban blogger in Canada, Latino Pinay family, blogs anytime, anywhere, Cathy April, Pilam Couples, Cathy's blog, Chad Summer blog, Rita's World, Guzman Akavine, Bisdak sa Hong Kong blog, Mills Canadian blog, Zelta Chica, Telma Milanis, Kuya Herman, Marivix blog, Chip Kafili, Mills Life in Nebraska, Amy's Family Adventures, Liti Pakori, Ate Din Vlogs, Andrews TV, Master Chowix, "5 PM online", Dangsky Vlog, Camiguin Island Kitchen, Inday Bigatla Live in Alemania, Videos TV, and Yaya Sale in the house. So thank you for all your support, guys. So if you like this video, click the subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit the notification bell for my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next, peace.